How do I collect categorical data alongside sensor data using SPARKvue software? Data recorded from sensors can be associated with categorical or qualitative data, such as the names of various substances or the identities of different locations. In this example, I will determine the pHs of 3 different household liquids and create a bar graph showing the measured pH of each liquid. Starting at SPARKvue's welcome screen, I'll select Build New Experiment, since I'd like a custom configuration of displays. I'll select this layout with 2 items, a narrow one on the left and a wide one on the right. This creates a page with the requested placeholders for my displays. On the left, I'll select a table for collecting the data, and on the right, a bar graph for displaying it. If I had a wired pH sensor, I would make sure it's connected. Since I'm using a wireless pH sensor, I'll connect it via this Bluetooth button for accessing wireless devices. In the table, I'd like columns for the names of liquids and the pHs. For the liquid name, I'll just start typing the first name in the first cell of the left column. SPARKvue recognizes that I'm creating user-entered data and lets me edit the name via this pencil icon. I'll call this categorical data liquid name. And delete the units since it's qualitative. I'll proceed to enter the remaining liquid names, though I could do this later instead. For the second column, I'll press Select Measurement and pick pH from the Sensors tab. Next, I'll set the y-axis of the bar graph to pH as well, and the x-axis to the liquid name, which I'll find under the User Entered tab. Because I created a bar graph, the SPARKvue sampling mode is automatically set to manual mode, which is appropriate for collecting a single sensor measurement for each user-entered data value at a pace I can control. So, I'm ready for the first pH measurement now. So I will place the electrode in the cola and press Start. Both the table and the bar graph show me the currently monitored pH value. Once it's stabilized, I'll press the green check mark to keep that pH reading. Notice in the table that the pH in the first row turns from the run color to black, indicating that it has been recorded. I'll rinse the pH electrode and place it in the glass cleaner. While that stabilizes, I'll point out that I can select either of these green check marks to keep a value. So I'll keep the pH for glass cleaner, rinse the sensor, and proceed to the final liquid, vinegar. After I keep that pH value, I notice that SPARKvue would allow me to continue with more readings. But I have all the data I need, so I'll press Stop to end this run of data collection with the 3 liquids and their corresponding pH measurements.